Yeah, so we're gonna be drying it, and I know this video was about rating my toys, not cleaning them, but I'm basically rating them too. But I have to clean them too because they're dirty. Okay, so we got fried chicken, cheese. Ooh, cheese. Wasabi. Yeah, wasabi. Sushi. Okay. Ew, ew, ew. No, I quit doing this. Ew. I'm just kidding, y'all. I'm gonna do it for you guys. Okay.